Hi guys, so this is a bit different video. So today I will be going over crypto news, and we will also be exploring some of the coins and what is happening with the market itself. So in terms of what happened today, we also had a big update that major so we have an investment regarding the Bitcoin investment, so which is unlikely. So I believe there was some speculation that Qatar Investment Authority would be investing in bitcoins, but it looks like that it has no plans to add bitcoins to its holding. So, which may be the reason, one of the reason why it's fall. As we also have something, but spot Bitcoin ETF net flows drop as BTC price dips. So we also have bad news regarding that as well. So we also had a senator pressures SEC's Gensler not to approve any more ETFs, so which could be big. We may not see another Bitcoin ETFs or even Ethereum ETFs. So not good, not good. So we another big thing going on was that Grayscale actually transferred, I think, many bitcoins to the Coinbase. So that actually added the price pressure to the Bitcoin. So we also had a lot of liquidation, so which was one of the reason I think Bitcoin went down. And let's just see, as you can see here, there were a lot of traders which actually got liquidated, which could be the reason for its price to go down. As you can see, as of now it's going down, so there is no way to know where it will stop, but we will look at other coins and see what is going on. So in terms of performance, as you can see, Solana is up today. So it is no wonder that Solana is becoming a major player in the crypto market. As you can see, it is heading towards 100 billion market cap, which is enormous if you look at it. So only 300 more to go to beat the Ethereum. As of now, Ethereum it's way too up. So as you can see, Solana still needs over 300 billion market cap to beat the Ethereum. Still, it is pretty big for Solana, as you can see. So in terms of why it's up, let's just see what do we have here. Do we have any news or not? I don't think we have any news going on. So in terms of Solana ecosystem, I think we also have its ecosystem going up as well. So if we look at the, let's just see, dog with hat, no. So Jupiter is up, which is pretty big, as you may already know. It is biggest DEX on the Solana, so it's up pretty big for Solana as well. We have a Radium, another DEX for Solana, it's up. We have a Jetto liquidity stacking for Solana, it's up as well. So Solana ecosystem is going towards a pretty big direction, as you can see. So we also have Avalanche following the Solana move, so which is pretty big. So I think we may have other coins following Solana soon. So I think one of them being would be the Aptos and Sui. So I think Sui and Aptos would be following Solana, and I think Sai will be doing that as well. So Sai is already up around 9.95, which is pretty big, and I think it may be the time for Sui to follow as well. As of now, it's not doing that good, as you can see here. It is currently in the downtrend, so we need to break that first to go towards the highs. But I think it will most likely come to the 1.17 mark before going up again. So that is there for Sui. And as for Aptos, it was doing extremely good, as you can see here, but the Bitcoin, as the Bitcoin went up, it actually, there was a lot of sell pressure on APT as well. But this week shows that there are a lot of buyers interested in Aptos as of now. As you can see, this week means that there are a lot of buyers rather than sellers, so I think it's going up soon. So it needs to break this, it needs to break this support, oh sorry, this resistance to go up again, I think, and it may be heading towards around $18 as well. So another thing we have, let's just look at the DeFi llama and see what is going on. As you can see here, the TVL dipped below 100 billion, so it actually breached 100 billion for a while and it dipped below that. So let's just see what is it. Okay, so I think Avalanche TVL should be up because it's pumping. and it has been going up, no wonder. So if we do look here, it's going up pretty awesome. So we also have another big player coming in the market, which is Base Network. So of course they don't have a coin, but their ecosystem is pretty good. So as you can see, Aerodrome has gone up in terms of TVL, and we also have a Uniswap deployed on Base, I believe, and it has only 74 million TVL, but still it's growing on the Base as well. So in terms of other projects, as you can see here, I think the biggest one would be the Matrix Farm and KRB. So this is the biggest one, and it only has this one, but still let's just see if we have anything which could be pretty good for it. So RSR is also on the Base as well. That is pretty interesting. I didn't know that. So another thing, okay, so we don't have anything major going on. So in terms of another layer 2, we have a Blast. This coin has done pretty well. I think that is because of their airdrop. So that is the only reason why it's going up. But in terms of Base, it is solely going up because of its fundamentals, I believe. So what we have a SOI. We are waiting for it to perform. So another coin which I am looking at is a Fetch, because it actually has over 2.2 billion market cap, which is pretty big, and it is unclear where will it go, but it is one of the biggest AI project out there. So in terms of project which still has not performed, I believe would be HBAR. So it never performs. It feels like that it only moves slowly. I am not even sure why is that. It may be due to its low demand and its high market cap. So there are a lot of believers in a HBAR, and I don't think that we have. Okay, so as you can see, it did not went up that much. It did not perform that well. So Eng has been in consolidation for a while, and I am looking at it, and it had a lot of hype behind it, and I think we need it to move again. So let's just see here. So it's not moving for a while. So it did actually perform in the December, and as of now, it's in consolidation ever since. So I think. Let's see that if we have any news regarding the Eng. So Eng usually follows Solana, if you know that. So because I have actually seen, if let's just try to compare Eng and Solana and see how they have performed. So we have a Eng here, as you can see here, and we have a Solana. So as if you look here, both of them have performed side by side. As you can see, this was Eng in December, and this is Solana in December. So both of them actually performed side by side, and Solana has actually broken this resistance, and it went up again. So I think what we need from Eng is to break this support and break out above. So I think we are expecting a big pump from the Eng as well. So this support, it has retested this support. As you can see, this support is on the weekly chart, if you look at it. So but by support I mean this week. So it has retested successfully. So I think it may be heading towards upward direction soon. So this you have to keep an eye on the Eng as well. It's pretty good that it is going up. So in terms of its TVL, we need to, if its TVL is going up, I think Eng will most likely go up. So its TVL has been slowly going up again. So I think that could mean that Eng may go up soon again. So in terms of other thing which is interesting, I think would be the, just a second, render or RNDR. This is one of the wide project out there for AI. So we need we need NVIDIA to perform. So just a second and see what is happening with NVIDIA. So NVIDIA stock, I think it's okay. So of course it's reaching its all-time high. As you can see, it has been pumping really hard, and okay, so this is basically from 106 to 1000, so that is basically 10x on its stock. So it has been consolidating a bit, as you can see. So if it does go up, I think RNDR fetch another will follow soon because of the AI hype behind. So in terms of other news, let's just see what we have here going on the crypto market, and we'll close this video soon. So let's just see we have anything interesting going on or not. So yeah, so we also had Ethereum update, Ethereum Dencon update. So what it did, that the layer 2's fees went really down, so that was pretty big for layer 2. So I believe Arbitrum, even Stocknet fees went down, even Optimism fees went down, so that was due to this update which happened. So it really helped layer 2 to scale even more, so which was pretty big for Arbitrum and others. So I think those could also go up soon, but you have to be careful with Arbitrum, as if you did not watch my video, as you'll be able to see, Arbitrum has a big unlock coming in just I think it's today. Yeah, it's today. So it has a big unlock coming in one day, and as you can see here, over 1.1 billion Arbitrum will be released in the market, and out of which I believe some of them belongs to the team and investors, which is pretty big for, as you can see here, 438 million belongs to the investor and 673 belongs to the team. So team may not sell, but I think the investor will do, so you have to be extremely careful. So in terms of we also have an ID, Space ID, I believe. The project is called Space ID, and their cliff is also coming up. So around 128 million coins will be released. We also have IMX cliff coming up soon, so you have to be careful with that. So yeah, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.